is the letterboard set I got from Little Hippo off of Amazon. I love the box, so it's really nice. It's actually just, it's a really sturdy box. Create, inspire, motivate. No, and then what all is inside is written on the back. So that's really nice. I'm gonna open the box and we'll look inside. So it looks very nicely packaged. I've read some of the reviews about some people had like done all the letters and then they realized that their board wasn't all together properly. So that's the first thing I'm going to look at. This totally looks like an Etsy box. This looks like something that like a handcrafted person would do. You know, follow us, and I'm not sure what that's for, but I'll figure it out. So it tells you how to do the letters and to use the file. I will tell you, actually I'll put a picture of it in here, what I usually use or what I have used in the past for just a different, I have a set of letters that I got at Walmart, but I didn't get a board, so you know, they're kind of useless until I get a board. So that I saw this and I thought, well, I'll give this a try. So here is the little easel. Looks to be in good condition. Maybe I'll paint it. I don't know how I'm gonna, well, I know how I'm gonna use it, I think. So let's get this out. I don't want to spend the time doing the letters and then have this not, not be together properly. But it actually looks really well made. The back looks just as nice as the front. So that's always good. You can hang it, although I think I'll probably use it on the easel. And it fits perfect. So yay! So I have this art bin box that I was using to organize all the ones I got from like Walmart, Target, and I had a piece of, what's it called in there? But I find that actually if I use these like little clippers, I don't even know where they came from. They might have been, actually, yeah, I don't know. Probably part of a set, maybe something I got for when I tried jewelry making for like a hot minute. But these actually work really great. You can get really super close. Must be smarter than the plastic. Took me forever to find that. And again, just have to be smarter than the plastic. Hopefully, you guys are. So, I mean, this is nice because I'll end up incorporating what I have into here, into this. There are all these little compartments, so it's perfect. It looks like you can take some of the compartments out and then make it like one big compartment or whatever. But these, you just get really close and snap it. You actually don't need to use a file at all. So, and that's kind of nice. So yeah. I'm really excited. I'm happy with what I got, at least so far. I haven't clipped them all, and I'm sure it'll go fine. It was definitely worth the money. Just a couple of things to be sure of or to pay attention to. You have enough spaces for all, it looks like, for all of your A through Z. You could do 1 through 9 or 0 through 9 in their own container, but then you are in their own space, but you wouldn't have a little cubby for your punctuation or your extra symbols. So I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do it, but right now this is the setup, and I have these 2 empty ones. So maybe I'll separate these out more. I haven't quite figured that out, but just pay attention to that. Just be aware. Not a bad thing, it just requires a little bit of shuffling, and these things come out, and then you just need to clip them in the center, and then you can put one in the, in the little slots, but they come out 2 together. So I have a single one here, but so I've already separated some of them. Also, while you are walking, while you're trying to do all your clipping, just pay attention, because I was about ready to throw this out, but I realized that I had missed one here and 2 little pieces of punctuation here. So just watch what you're doing. Just go over it really carefully. They just look like little nubs, and they kind of look like not necessarily a mistake. And as you're going, you can kind of see them, and I saw some of them, but I definitely, obviously, was just clipping, and then was missing some. So they're kind of, the punctuation is just mixed in. There's some F's, which I think I didn't see, but I got all of these P's because I did see those. Just pay attention while you're going, because you don't want to lose any of that punctuation. Grammarly will be very upset with you. In the end, this is my setup. I combined all the letters that I had, the ones that I got from Target or Walmart or wherever. So they're all together. I put all my numbers here. So you can see the blue and the peach or whatever. Those are, part of what I got in a different set. This is some of just like, oh, that's a no. I didn't do a very good job of putting everything in there. But these are some extra symbols. Both of these are just hearts and, just the fun little symbols that came. These are pink ones are a set I got from somewhere else also, but then the white smiley faces all came with this set, so I put all of those together. I have extra little separators from the box that I got from Little Hippo, which I will show you in a second. I put my clippers in here because, why not? And then I just had some other, too hard for me to do this one-handed, but I had some other full-on words from some other, again, that set with the pink and the blue. But this is my final, the layout I ended up doing with Little Hippo. So I'm using my A's. I ended up having to, a lot of the vowels, I have just a lot of extra, a lot of letters. So A, B, C, D, so on and so forth. Actually, I think I ended up shifting F, like F is here, but E is here because there were so many more E's than F's. So, just, paying attention, but, there are a lot of N's, a lot of M's. M's are big. So really, this is the whole alphabet, and then this is the punctuation. So yeah, but I am really happy. I've used it a couple of times. I'll go ahead and put a couple of pictures in. I'm just using it for intros to my videos, which actually you might see that might be what I use on the intro to this video. But yeah, I am really happy. It works great. I just, I couldn't be happier, so yay, Little Hippo, thumbs up, 5 stars. This is not, please don't think it was like any kind of a sponsor or anything. They did not send it to me for free for a review. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.